we're here at the Clean Culture, so let's record some nice cars today. Okay, we're gonna start with this one. Look at this amazing GTR. Look at the wing. Carbon fiber wing, carbon fiber ground effects. Yeah. This GTR, man, beautiful. That's it on Instagram. Look at this, amazing. Look at that. This one, that's nice. We did this wrap not that long ago. It's the interior. From Mod Effects. I love them out here. I like this charger too, with airbags, slam, nice wheels, wide body, mini tires on the rear. Sorry, that's nice. Okay guys, we didn't win any trophy. Okay guys, sometimes we win, sometimes we lose. We have to enjoy the blessings and we have to keep moving. So thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this one. If you like the video, please like the video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.